Hi, welcome back to Horsepower Tea. This is my Cummins diesel that we just had at a burnout competition for Cletus and cars. And at the event, you might have noticed if you watched the burnout clip, right in the middle of my burnout, all of a sudden I lost boost and the truck just fell on its face.
That charge pipe?
And I think what happened is right here, I'm not sure exactly how, but you can see here on the housing, the blades must have hit it. So I don't know if it's got like hot and like expanded enough to where the blades could hit it, but the blades hit it and it's messed up and it don't have as much boost as it used to. So we got to send this out to get repaired. We're going to be going to the Ultimate Callout Challenge, which is like this Friday up in Indy. And we're going to do another burnout contest, but that guy's not going to cut it. So the only other turbo I have laying around is this giant son of a gun. It's got the little Detroit diesel sign on here. This is off a Detroit diesel semi-truck. And if you can tell, it's just a little bit bigger than the other one. So that's probably going to run pretty good. But it's got a bigger exhaust housing on the back of it. So we're going to take off. Right now I got a 4-inch downpipe going all the way to the back. We got a 5-inch pipe right here. We're going to put this 5-inch pipe on. I got a 5-inch tailpipe here. So we're going to be taking the whole 4-inch exhaust off and switching over to a 5-inch. So we're going to start the process of getting this off and get ready to put the new one on. So here's the old 4-inch pipe and there's the new 5-inch pipe. So obviously this one's gonna flow a lot better. Got the exhaust housing on here. I gotta put the downpipe on next. So this right here, portion of the firewall's hitting the downpipe pretty good, so we had to smash it a little bit. So part of it's more of an oval more than a circle, but it shouldn't hurt the flow. It's still the same area inside there. So go ahead and get this downpipe put in there. Okay, I got that. It's held up by jack stands. I just gotta get this big V-band on there. I just got to tighten that up and then I can go back. I gotta slide the tailpipe onto this section and weld that up, and then we'll have a full exhaust. I gotta throw a couple hangers on it. So that is a pretty tight fit. It looks like it's touching, but as you can see from down here, we got a clearance right there, and you can see all the way up through there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's not touching. It's got a good 1/4 inch clearance. I think that's it. I'll just go ahead and get that welded in place. So I got the exhaust all buttoned up. Looks pretty good. Now we gotta go up here. That's all good to go. I just gotta get the turbo put on. There's an oil drain, an oil feed, and then the compressor line, and then the air filter, and then that's about it. So let's get started on that. So I just gotta tighten this clamp. I got the drain slid on. I got to put a couple little hose clamps on that. This will screw on here. I got to feed that to the intercooler. I got an air filter sitting there. So let me get this stuff buttoned up here. So this elbow goes on here, and it's a little longer than what comes stock. And this is the stock tube that goes to your intercooler, and these two interfere with each other. So I cut this, but it still has that lip there that I can put a clamp behind it. It should stay on just fine. It actually kind of looks just like this one. So with that cut, there should be enough room to get all this in there. All right, so everything's hooked up. Last little thing, pop that air filter on. You can take it out for a test drive. We got 60 pounds of boost. Feels pretty nasty now. I actually took it out and I tried to do a little bit of a burnout, and I shifted into fourth, which is what I usually do my burnouts in. The motor's making a lot more power with that new turbo on, and my clutch is slipping. It can't handle the power. So it was slipping real bad. I was able to make it home, but I'm not gonna be able to. I was building this, trying to get it done for Ultimate Callout Challenge burnout, and we're not gonna be able to make it because I gotta put a new clutch in it, and the UCC is tomorrow, so it's kind of a bummer, but we'll get a new big bag clutch in there and get her all fixed up, and she'll be better than ever. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see y'all next time.